drunk on Wanderlust. Now I've come across these hot packs, self-heating ration packs, which could potentially be the ideal solution for having a hot meal on the go wherever you are, completely self-contained. Now you might be going on just a day hike where you don't want to carry your cook stuff, or you might be in an area where it's not convenient to use all your cook gear. This could be the answer. We shall find out. Now I found them on eBay. They're £5.99. I've gone for the vegetable curry flavour. So let's take them straight out on a hike and find out whether they're hot or not. Don't forget to let me know what kind of ration packs or meals you guys take camping or hiking. Always out to try new things, and if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button for more videos. Now today is a beautiful day and I've been on a nice 10-mile hike so far. I am now in Hampton and today I am checking out this hot pack self-heating ready meal. So taking a closer look, this is the flameless heater pack. And this is what is going to cook the curry. So I'm going to follow the instructions on this for once, actually do as I'm told, because I want it to work. I've got no other snacks with me today and I am starving. So let's have a look. You need to tear it here. We're going to put the pouch in, add 50 mils of water and then fold it over. And then hopefully within 10 minutes it should cook. So let's check it out. You want to make sure the heating pack is behind the ready meal, okay? When you put it down flat, the heating pack is going to be behind the meal. We're now going to add 50 mils of water. So the meal is in the bag, we've got 50 mils of water in, we've then got to fold over the pack and leave it for 10 minutes and hopefully it should cook. So let's have a closer look as we do this. So we're about 6 or 7 minutes in and we've finally got some action, yes. Nothing was really happening for the first kind of 5 minutes, but now there's steam coming off it, it's getting warm, it's kind of bubbling away, and I am starving. Oh, I can feel the heat coming off it now, so hopefully I'll have a nice hot curry to eat. Right, the time is up, I've got my spork, I'm starving, let's check this out. I'm going to open it up. Well, I've got the pouch, it feels nice and warm. It is pretty wet, so if you are going to be using these, I do recommend that you bring like a towel or a rag just to wipe it down. I'm going to just wipe it on my trousers for now because that's how I roll. And yeah, over the top, let's dig in. Nice. Got my little spork here. See how this bad boy tastes. That's really warm, really warm. Lovely, just what I needed. See, these are perfect just for day hikes. You could take them camping, anywhere really. If you can't be bothered to take your stove, or it's rainy or conditions where you can't put your stove on, perfect. Self-heating, got them off eBay, £5.99, recommend.